from wardrobe malfunctions to navigating repairs,
Don't think these guys speak English.
checking out local life and visiting iconic landmarks. Find out why Ladakh is so special. It was our final day in Leh and I wanted to get more of a sense of this place, so we went for a walk into the town. But I also needed to find a tailor because 3 days earlier, whilst climbing into a rickshaw in Delhi, I'd had a clothing disaster.
As I got in the rickshaw and reached across to pull myself up, I thought I heard something tear, and it did. It wasn't a muscle. It was this. So I have found myself a tailor. Look here. Here we go. And I'm hoping these guys, look at this, tailor. Hoping these guys can fix my dress. And I bought another one as well. Hello. Hello. Can I come in? I have one dress. Yeah. Right, let's find that rip. Oops, okay. Dip, dip, dip. Right, let me find it. Don't think these guys speak English, so I'm gonna have to show them. It's up here. Is it okay to fix that? Yeah. And then this one here. Buttonhole problem. Here we go. This one
Right.
and this one, please. Can you could write down how much? Here, paper. This. Okay, thank you. Fantastic. It's just 100 rupees. We can do this. Thank you. Right, get these dresses back in action because I don't have enough to wear. I literally bought that dress just before coming to India because it's really loose and easy to wear. And I'm amazed that I ripped it under the arms getting into a rickshaw. I didn't have time to fix it in Delhi, but here in Leh, quick Google of a tailor, and here we are. Here we go. Trousers. Are you turning them up? Yeah, turning them up. I think the guy that has these trousers is maybe a bit short. Yeah. Brilliant service. You can just come in and they do it straight away. Thought I'd bring the blue dress in because the buttonholes are a bit worn. It's my favourite dress, so I'm going to get them to tighten them up a bit. Imagine that's 100 rupees. That's £1 in the UK, and they've done it immediately. So quick. I'd not get into any more rickshaws again in quite such an energetic fashion.
Okay?
Okay, thank you so much. No, please. Right, ready. Thank you so much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, got them done. Ready to go. It took no more than 10 minutes. Good for another day. Anywhere I go, I always want to try and get away from the tourist drag.
I wanted to see some of the mega famous sites in Leh, but before going, I also wanted to get a sense of local life.
What a difference from the main market. Literally 10 metres parallel, and you've got this fantastic old town of Leh. So I've just spotted the chapati maker here in Leh, and I thought I'd show the boys how it's done. Oh look, traditional bread, come have a look, come close. Whoa, in it goes. Turn it over, heat it on the other side a little bit. So they stick it to the side and then hoik it off, and then they just toast the other side. Would you like one? Are you going to eat one? You're hungry? Wow. It's amazing, isn't it? Here we go. And then there. Woof.
Should we ask?
Would you like one? Yeah, how many would you like?
This one.
One
For
each?
all of us.
Yeah, one?
Yeah.
One piece, madam.
Okay.
One piece.
Yeah, one piece. Please.
One piece.
Yeah, just one?
One piece.
Yeah, thank you. But here?
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank
Keep
you.
the change, keep the change. Thank you. Oh, wonderful. Fresh chapati. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Great. Whoa, is it hot joke?
Yeah, so
How
really
hot? Super hot. It's come out that gorgeous oven.
And neat.
Mute.
Like, it's a bit hot.
Yeah, wait for it to cool down a bit.
Yeah, wait for it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that view. See, back streets. The back streets of any place offer so much more than the main drag. Get away from the tourists and you find the real people. Does it cool down a bit then?
It's still really hot, but I don't care.
Yeah?
Okay. Can I have it?
Fresh chapati. Oh, how's
like
it?
Crunchy on the outside,
Yeah?
but like really soft on the inside.
Nice. Wow, liking these back streets. Look at that tree. I think in some, this is ringing a bell, but in certain areas they don't believe in chopping certain ancient trees down. Maybe that applies to that one. Bless you. Making our way back towards our hotel, we stopped at a little cafe called Lehvenda Cafe, which I'd heard did delicious lunch and coffee in Ladakh. And they weren't wrong. If you're in the area, this is a little gem with beautiful views on offer too. After lunch, a quick rest and freshen up, it was time to see some of the megawatt locations that Leh is known for. Shey Palace, here we go, looks stunning, was built in the 16th century. The royal family lived here. Whoops, tripping over. It's up high, it looms, it looks impressive, it looks pretty. And I think there's a massive Buddha inside. But I'm not sure, let's go find out. These royal families, they knew where to live, didn't they? Up high, amazing views. Anyone who attempts to get up there basically dies of altitude sickness on the way up. I feel my lungs screaming. Yeah. That made my legs hurt. Did that make your legs hurt? No. Oh, my heart is beating like the fluttering wings of a butterfly. Embarrassing parent alert. Oh, I just calm down now. So, boys have disappeared again, obviously, always one step ahead. But now I'm about to enter the 16th century. Almost. Forget the signs. Just ignore the signs and we're there. What's around this corner, huh? Oh, whoa. That's what's round the corner. Look at that. What do you think? When I think about the landscape, it actually reminds me a lot of Hunza and Baltic forts in Pakistan. Feels very similar. It's got these kind of awe-inspiring views and the same stunning landscapes. Ready to go in, see the colossal Buddha? Yeah. 3-story high, yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Right, okay, just reading my notes. I have to remember this. It was a massive copper gilded image of Lord Buddha Shakyamuni. Lord Buddha Shakyamuni by King Delden Namgyal for his dad. And it has lots of gems and precious stones. Okay, you can help me remember that, yeah? Okay, let's go. Absolutely no chance I'm going to remember that detail, but what I can tell you is that the Buddha inside is a whopping 39 feet tall. That's the equivalent of a 3-story house. Just going around the other side. Hang on. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm not one of those people that likes too much, archaeological, historical sites. Get a bit bored. But that was really fun. Hi, how you doing? You alright? Nice people too. One thing I was keen to do before leaving Leh was to meet with a local monk, and I can think of no better place than this absolutely stunning monastery. I have come to Thiksey Monastery, which is a Tibetan-style monastery, 15th century, and it is absolutely knockout. Wait till you see this. I was on the hunt for an elusive monk, but this was proving relatively hard when it appeared the entire Tour de France had diverted to the monastery on the same day. Eventually I managed to shake off the lycra padded pants wearers and I met Jamba. When did you come here first?
When I was 11 years.
When you were 11?
Yeah, I joined this monastery. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 years I stay here.
Yeah.
Then I went to South India, Karnataka.
So you started here age 11?
Yeah.
And now you're back again.
Yeah.
How did it feel when you came back here?
It's good.
Yeah.
Finally I can come.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
How important is this monastery?
This one is the in Ladakh, central Ladakh, main monastery.
And how would you describe being here now? How does it feel to be part
It's
of
very
this?
good. Here I can speak in Ladakhi language or Tibetan language.
Mm-hmm. How much do you like being here and the location? It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very good. When I was in South, I feel this one is here in Himalaya mountain and here Karakoram range. Between this Himalaya range and Karakoram range in here, my monastery.
Oh,
I feel it.
wonderful. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Okay.
Meeting Jamba gave me a real sense of what it is to be Buddhist. He's a quiet and peaceful man who doesn't need to shout loudly about his religion, and that is simply because he lives it.